This simple house is implanted as a flower in the arid landscape of the Cerrado Biome, the Brazilian savanna. A couple seeking tranquility and connection with nature commissioned this urban refuge located 15 minutes from the center of Brasilia. The 2,000 square meters plot made it possible to spread 375 square meters of construction through the land. Its volume tray consists of 4 loose volumes, drawn on a mesh of square modules and rotated around an uncovered internal courtyard, through which the volumes are interconnected. These boxes sector the needs program in different frame views of the landscape. The first block houses the garage and service areas, the second, the TV room, office, and master suite, in the third, 2 bedrooms, a shared bathroom, toilet, and the atelier. Lastly, the volume of the living/dining room and kitchen are fully integrated into the balcony by sliding doors. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.